All right, good morning everyone. It's Teamwitherving. Welcome to another session. Today we are going to be doing our pre-week analysis for the week of December 14 to the 18, trading our multiple time frame. So here it is. So let's go and let me show you what I have for you. Again, this is our pre-week forex forecast and review trading with Teamwitherving. All right, so just want to make sure I let you know that this is only our pre-week analysis. So please guys, make sure you do subscribe. Tomorrow Sunday I will be giving you guys our weekly forex forecast that is coming this coming week, and on Wednesday at 4 p.m. Eastern time we are gonna be getting together. So we're gonna follow up our pre-week, our weekly, and then we're gonna do our follow-up on Wednesday at 4 p.m. So make sure you do subscribe so you can see how these 2 weeks has performed. All right, so just kind of a quick disclaimer guys, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to show you how to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you, but before I do that, let me go ahead and type here the type of system that we are trading, right? So we are trading, let me type it here, we are trading multiple time frame. All right, and our website is the following. Let me make this a bit smaller so you will not be asking me that question. To be honest, I haven't seen any question lately. Irving, what kind of system is that? So it's good because sometimes I do get those. Oops. TWE Forex System, not System Forex. Forex System.com. It's in there. All right, so let's go ahead, guys, and let me show you what I have for this week. Please comment below if you have any question. I'm here live with you. So this is what I have for NCD Canadian, guys. I think NCD Canadian is forming a very nice bullish market. It's not bearish, market is bullish. Look at here, pay attention what our system is letting us know here. It's clearly giving us a buy direction here. It's letting us know the market is in a buy position. You are seeing this. Look at this, market is bullish so far, but this guy is on our way. So let me go ahead and draw it again. This guy is here on our way, letting us know, Irving, we are looking for a potential sell. So this is all I can say, guys. Market, yes, market still can give us a small PV retracing it back. So it's not fully ready yet to drop. So let's go ahead and put that in here. So all I can say is market is gonna still drop maybe 1 or 2 more candle in here, and then market will resume back to business as a bullish market. Then we're gonna be seeing a bullish market here, boom, retesting all this level here between the 23 and a 0 Fibonacci line. Then it's gonna do a small correction, then finally we'll take off as a bullish position. Please let me know, guys, in the comment below if you do think market is doing something else, because it's very important for me to understand that you do also get the point. Because I mean, I can explain as much as I can, but if you are confused, it's not gonna help me to help you to become a better trader. So because I mean, the end of the year is gone, guys. So we have 1 more week after this week, and that's it. So now we are gonna be trading in year 2021, and please be careful. Now this coming week, people are gonna start taking more off. They're gonna be enjoying their family, staying home. So they already make the millions and millions of dollars. So now it's time to celebrate Christmas and so on. So it's a lot of new holidays that are coming aboard. So don't expect the market to be doing some crazy movement. But yeah, I think the NCD Canadian, guys, is good. But please check your rules. Make sure don't trade with rules, without rules, if you don't have one. All right, so the next one is gold. A gold still, remember, gold is in a sell position. Gold is very promising. So pay attention what gold is giving us here, guys. Gold is giving us a sell position. But look at who just came in on our way. This guy is on our way. So all I can say is, let me go ahead and put this here. Market is not ready fully yet to drop. All I can say is market is going to do a small correction. Still going to push a bit up. Making this, because right now it's doing a PV. So still, we're going to still see a 1 or 2 more candle here. Coming here. And then finally market will drop. Making this small drop here is just to correct and make this buyer stronger, including this other leg here. This is the one that is gonna make this sell potential a bullet. It's gonna give us, it's gonna form a bunch of other candles in here, and then finally market will be ready to go. Most likely we are gonna be seeing a red arrow somewhere in this location here. Then finally you will be seeing a nice drop down as a sell position. But overall, I think right here we're looking for a sell position. But please be careful, guys. I'm looking here. Pay attention what our multiple time frame is letting us know here. There's a lot of story letting us know the market is getting ready either to be a real bullish market, but that most likely is gonna happen in 2021. But so far, all we can see here is market is selling. It's not doing anything else than just selling. So don't get fooled, okay? Please don't get fooled. Market is selling. Look at this sell here. Boom. This is just a small PV. Now market is retracing back. Boom. Market is going back to sell position. All right. Any question, guys? You guys have any question for me? Make sure if you are watching us for the first time here, please, guys, make sure you do subscribe so you will not miss any content from us. Like and share and subscribe. You can do it whatever you want. So today we are doing only our pre-week analysis. Tomorrow, Sunday, we are going to be doing our weekly Forex forecast, where we're going to be analyzing another 6 more pairs. And on Wednesday at 4 p.m. Eastern time, we are going to be reviewing these 2 analyses that I'm doing today, Saturday, and tomorrow, Sunday. All right, so make sure you do subscribe so you can be updated with all the information that it's going to be doing. All right, so let's go ahead and continue, guys. Please let me know in the comment below if you have any question. But so far, so good. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the next pair. The next pair that I have here, this one took me out last week, guys. Last week I did analyze, there were 10 pairs. Out of 10 pairs, 2 pairs went against us. So this month, the month of December, we have only 3 pairs that has gone against our analysis. So far we had analyzed 22 pairs. Out of 22 pairs, only 3 pairs has moved against our analysis. So we're still hitting that 75% winning ratio. My goal is always to win at least 75% out of 100. It's not going to happen all the time, but at least I have a goal in my mind what I want to accomplish. All right. So here it is. So Euro GBP is in a sell position, guys. Remember, this pair here is selling. But this is very promising as well. Remember, look at here. This guy is letting us know the market is in a buy position. All the indication here is letting us know the market is getting ready for a sell. I thought this market was going to be sell in December, but it didn't happen. So overall here, we're still selling down, right? That's the trend here is bearish. So this guy come in here. It got disrespected, which is fine. That's why we have all the rules. We don't trade just because we see the signal there say, Irving, it's time to sell. You need to sell. No, 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 no. We have rules. We trade with rules. Now this guy pop in. Now officially, now we're not selling, right? Look at that. The dots are forming. So this is what I think the market will do. Now, market is gonna drop down. Probably 1 or 2 more candles here. Then this leg here will make this sell here stronger. This is what is this is what is going to make the sell stronger. Finally, we're gonna see a whole bunch of dots in here ready to say, okay, Irving, now I'm ready to go down. Let's go. Then boom, market will drop like it's hot. You got it? That's what I'm thinking here, guys. Hey, that's what I see here. Pay attention. Look at that. 4 hours is letting us know it's sell. Look, daily is contradicting, weekly is contradicting. The monthly is selling. I told you it's selling. So sell because it's selling. But remember, guys, this is not signals, please. Do not get it twisted. This is only for educational purpose. Please go back to your settings, to your system. If you are watching us here for the first time and you don't have our system, you can come and check us here at our website, and we are trading multiple time frames. But those that already had the system, go back to the system, check if this pair match your rules. Bingo, then you're going with me. If not, let me know in the comment below, because that is the only way I'm gonna make you stronger and better for year 2021. All right, so let me go ahead and delete all this stuff here. But this pair is very sexy in my opinion. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next pair. Let me know in the comment below. All right, this pair is gorgeous, guys. I remember when I told you that. You cannot say that I did not tell you. The market was in a buy position on last week. Last week I told you. I remember when I told you the market was sitting somewhere in here. And I put the analysis in here. Boom, market is going to come back in here, drop, and continue back up. It did exactly what I told you. I love this. Is one of my favorite pairs, guys. This is one of my hot song pair. Now, Urban, what do you think is going to happen on USD peso? Well, pay attention, guys. Market is already giving us a what? It's giving us a sell position. Look, this PV here didn't last that long. This is just a PV, guys. Look, we're selling. We're looking for sell. Sell, sell, sell. Uh-oh, real time. What is real time doing? Market is looking for a potential sell position. Now, this is what I come and I do my analysis and say, okay, let me see what I'm going to do this week. This is me. This is what I think the market will perform this week. Anyway, we're coming back on Wednesday at 4 p.m. where we're going to be doing our follow-up reviewing today's video and yesterday as well. Right? I mean yesterday. I mean today Saturday and tomorrow Sunday. Tomorrow we are going to be doing our weekly forecast. Today we are doing our pre-week. On Wednesday we are going to review in both videos. But this is what I think this pair is going to do, guys. I'm looking here for a potential market still dropping. We know that. So we're looking for 1 or 2 more candles here. Then the market will do a small PV. This PV is very strong. Let me make a correction here because this is way too much. I think I got too excited here. Let me make this here. Market is gonna come here. And then let's move this guy here. We're doing this live anyway. Look at these potentials here. It's gonna come there. Pay attention what I'm doing here, guys. This is good. And then finally it's gonna be January and we're gonna start looking for a buy position. This pair may be a buy position, but it's gonna be in year 2021, a fresh new physical year. But I think this is what market is gonna perform in here, guys. I really like this pair. Hopefully you do too. But it's up to you. So we're still looking here for a sell potential. So most likely, if I'm not, you will see it, guys. When we come back on Wednesday, look at all this area here. Boom! It's gonna hit that like it's hot. Boom! And then on Wednesday, you're gonna say, yes, Irving, you were right. Pay attention what our radar is letting us know. Telling you, market is in a sell position. It's not like it's doing something else. Pay attention here. Is it? Look. 4 hours is selling. Look, 4 hours is selling here as well. Daily is contradicting. It's fine. Look, it's still here letting us know the market is in a buy position. Okay, fine. Look at what the weekly is letting us know. Boom! Irvin, we're still selling. Oh, monthly. Oh, we're still selling. What are you going to do? Well, I'm going to follow the direction, right? If everyone is selling, why would I need to go in a buy position yet? There is no point for you to go against what everybody's trading. If the market is trading, just trading bearish, just trade bearish. If the market is trading bullish, just go bullish. Obviously, if you are trading PV, remember PV is equal BV, but you must know how to trade PV. If you don't, you will blow your account. Well, this year is gone, guys. I don't want you to blow the remainder of the 2 weeks that is left with this year, blow your account. Use the money, help yourself, get well educated, and start a physical 2021 stronger and better by trading with amazing rules. So check us out. We are here anyway. We were trading multiple time frame. I want you guys to make sure you join, subscribe, share, and like. Do whatever you have to do, and we're gonna move on. All right. But I think this pair is very, very sexy. I already prepared. Oh, also, guys, I'm including Euro USD for next week. I think Euro USD is gonna drop, but I'm gonna give you the analysis as well. So I really like the pair. So hopefully you do too. So today, just to do a recap, today we analyze USD peso, Euro GBP. We also analyze gold, and also we analyze NCD Canadian. All these pairs here are very sexy in my opinion. I don't know what you're gonna be doing. I don't know, but remember, these are not signal, but they are very, very accurate. So that's all I have, guys. Thank you again for coming in. God bless you. God bless the United States, and make sure you do subscribe and come back tomorrow at the same time. All right, so take care, guys. Hasta la vista. Peace out.